Now this video is regarding for you. I want to told one of the quotes, a best quote, that a good-hearted person with a ultimate winners means. इस वीडियो में मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ कि एक अच्छा सा हृदय रहने पर लोग कहीं भी विनर हो सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट, why I am telling this one, because heart, the main word is a heart. When the heart is clear, the person can do anything. All the work is become easy for that. The heart is a very important. Now in this video I want to tell that regarding about heart. Please subscribe our video, our channel, and got the notification all about our knowledge. Okay, now discussing about heart. What is the structure of the heart? Look, there is a structure of the heart is like type. A heart is a muscular organ, like muscular organ heart, which is a pumping the blood, like this type. The heart is a pumping the blood. It is a very beautiful mechanism when we are studying in depth. We are now we are going to study that how mechanism, the function of the heart, how the heart is become function. Heart, this type part, the function, that is, it act as a double pumping devices. I told about later this concept, double pumping device, I told later. Now the heart having a 4 chamber. Are you looking that? Heart is a 4 chamber having 2 atrial and 2 ventricles. Okay, the heart, the chambers which can pumping the blood with a pure blood and the impure blood. Are you looking that? The heart which containing the chambers, which is a right atrial and the right ventricle, and left ventricle and the left auricle. This is a help for the pumping the blood. Then the right auricles, looking that the right auricle which is pumping the blood, and also ventricle also pumping the blood. They will carry the impure blood, and left ventricle and the auricles are carrying the pure blood in our body. So looking that the heart is a present. The heart is a present in the thoracic region. Means what? Between the 2 lungs. The heart is situated in this part, not for the right side. Some people are saying where is the heart, but heart is in a right side. No, heart is situated in center, like this type, in the center of between the 2 lungs. But the heart, the small part of the region of the heart is slightly down towards the right side. Therefore, the heart is, someone said that, situated in right. Therefore, the heart having the 2 ventricles carrying the impure blood, and also aorta are carrying the pure blood. Are you looking at the blood vessels, the blood cells which is coming from this type of blood? The blood is containing the WBC, RBC, water, and the platelets. The many components in the blood. Biology is a beautiful and concept. Having AB blood group, AB, other donor blood group, recipient blood group. Let it be. Now we are talking with the heart. Okay, heart with having the 2 valves, a tricuspid and the bicuspid. What is mean tricuspid? Where is situated? The tricuspid means it is situated between the right auricle and the right atrium and right ventricle. Also, bicuspid, what? Beside that bicuspid, it is situated between the left atrium and the left ventricle. Okay, these are the tricuspid and the bicuspid. Now, moving towards the veins, the pulmonary veins. Are you looking? There is 2 the pulmonary veins. One is the pulmonary artery. It is carrying the impure blood from the lungs, and another one is a pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein which is carrying the impure blood from the lungs. Then also the heart is a very beautiful concept. Now it has a more cardiologists other when the born child means after 1 month, the heart is a development until death. The heart is a pumping, like this type of the pumping. The blood is pumping this type. In 1 minute, the heart will receive and pump the blood in 72 times. 72 times, guys. 72 times the heart is receives the blood and pump. This type, the heart is receive and pump the blood through all the part of the body. Looking this figure, the pure and the blue color and the red color means this. For your consideration, the blue color is added as a impure blood and the red is a pure blood. Here, blue color is an impure blood. Okay, this is a deoxygenated, means the oxygen is not present. They are impure blood, and the red is a pure blood. They are oxygenated. I am told that in first startingly, the heart acts as a double pumping. Means what is it means? Means double pumping means the heart it receives the impure blood and simultaneously it receives and pumping the pure blood. It is a beautiful mechanism of the heart. So this is about the regarding about heart and chambers, veins, this aorta and corona. This all the vessels are there and blood vessels and another beautiful which is all the blood vessels in our body from top to bottom. All the blood vessels are connected to a heart. This is the heart pumping the blood from throughout the body. It is a beautiful and very beautiful mechanism. Thank you for that, and uploading the another video about double pistol interaction in next video. Thank you. And please don't forget our channel is Parvez Ahmad Knowledge. Please subscribe the video and got all the notification about the video and press the bell icon. Also comment on it. Thank you for it.